You used to call me about. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me about wave parks. It always includes troughs and crests. Call me about wave parks. Their distance equals the wavelength. And I know that the amplitude only occurs at antinodes. Troughs and crests and conclude at rest position of the node. Ever since you learned about its cube, she said that F times lambda equals wave speed. Sound speed is affected by temperature degree. It's equal to 331 plus 0.6t. Cause ever since we learned about its cube, she said light speed contains inverse relations. A smaller wavelength leads to more vibrations. Vice versa is also true, Q also mentions.
You used to call me through the sound waves, which are longitudinal. Call me through the sound waves. Its particles move parallel. Vibrations create compression. Particles always come together. They also create rarefaction. Around these parts there's less pressure. Ever since we learned about waves, Mr. Q said they react to different medium endings. Fixed ends invert and reflect all the bendings, but free ends only reflect pulses extending. Ever since we learned our boundaries, wavelength and speed will always remain constant. Decreasing amplitudes is also important. In process, some energy is often forgotten.
You used to call me about wave parks. It always includes troughs and crests. Call me about wave parks. Their distance equals the wavelength. And I know that the amplitude only occurs at antinodes. Troughs and crests then conclude at rest position of the node.
These days, all we do is wonder if 10 decibels will make sound 2 times as loud. Wonder if it makes it sound 10 times more intense. Using things that taught you I is power over 4 pi r. Spread their radius affected to.
Didn't you listen to Mr. Q? No.
That's why you so slow.
You should go back to bio.
Used to always say test and get on the honor roll.
Use 4.0.
Yeah, you should just drop the class.
On Kahoot, you're always last. You used to call me about wave parks. It always includes troughs and crests. Call me about wave parks. Their distance equals the wavelength. And I know that the amplitude only occurs at antinodes. Troughs and crests then conclude at rest position of the node.